ऑफलाइन जाए मेरे को okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Good afternoon.
Introduce yourself.
I am architect Royla Fernandez, and we have with us the nurses who were employed on contract during the COVID time. We from NCHRO, National Confederation of Human Rights Organization, we have Ritya Sayedya, we have Meena John, and myself, Royla. We all have come here to voice out the concerns of these nurses. एंका सगळे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचे घेतलेली during the COVID time, and most of the contracts were over. The young girls have applied for the renewal, and till date their renewals have not yet come. We have met the Director of Health Services Administration, and she has told us that the renewals of those who have submitted is being forwarded to the government to get the financial approvals, and they are still awaiting it. It has been 1 year that these young girls or nurses worked to serve during the COVID times. Sogolyanni mon laवन काम केले, and the health minister has even felicitated them, appreciated for their services. As the administration, the Director of Administrative Services here says that they were appointed only for contract. No doubt it was a contract service, but we know that the COVID surge is picking up again, and to just lay off all of them would be unjust. We have come here with a request that they should be renewed, their contract should be renewed. But later we have come to know from some of the nurses here that some of the renewals have not been approved. I would like Valni Pinto, who is heading this movement, to speak and explain also further about this.
Hello.
I would like to speak on this. We have served for 6 months over
Mike,
here,
chakal
and when we requested for the renewal, some of the renewals got rejected. They said. I was happy to serve over here for 6 months, and so Viswajit had promised us that there will be renewal, extension of the contract till October 2022, but nothing has been done. So we, all the nurses over here, had come over here for a request, and everything can be happen or not.
There are over 200 nurses waiting for their renewals. 200 nurses, meaning 200 young women who are looking for jobs. The government will soon come with offers of assurances before the elections. But here, people who are employed, who were taken on contract, no doubt, are still eagerly looking for an employment. So instead of giving false assurances later, we request the government consider these young women who have been serving people, who have been served by them, would know how dedicated they have been during this entire COVID period. We request earnestly for people to voice out. जे कोई पण पेशंट राहिले आणि हे भुरग्यांनी तेणी तांकां सर्व केला, तेणी मुखार सरचे आनी गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मागचे तेंचे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट्स रिन्यू करचे, आनी जाता जाल्यार तांकां एक परमनंट, they are ready to answer all possible exams. In fact, now at 2:30, all of them have sacrificed a bit of their study to come and give a petition here, and they are going to head to Don Bosco to answer exams again. Requesting government and people, support nurses. Their lives depend on your decision. Otherwise, these young children or these young nurses will be waiting again only for an employment.
Health Minister of the Mera
Yeah, next. Since this is the authority here, first we have come and met them. We have given our request, and we are making copies to Mr. Vishwajit Rane, the Health Minister, giving a memorandum to the CM, and also sending one to Delhi as well.
And what assurance you got here?
She is assured that the renewals would be done, but we come to know now that there are renewals which have been refused also. So we will look into this matter and try to follow up on this.
Because there are 200.
This young girl in 2 days tried to find out, and we got a
So how many nurses renewation is cancelled recently? No? You have any?
We have here some of them who's been denied.
But we're going to be waiting for another week's time where the assurance is given that they will be renewed for a year.
भद्रा एका मातशें सायडीक रावचें हे पिंक वाले
We gave a renewal letter in district hospital. So there was stamp on it and they accepted. But further, they didn't take any decision yet. 1 month before we gave a renewal letter.
there are different hospitals all over.
Yeah, but under the Director of Health Services, so then they would send the GMC would be a separate thing, but DHS has sent to South District Hospital and all the PHCs. Most of them have been later after the COVID came down, the surge came down. They have been sent into your COVID care centers or at the primary health centers, and they have experiences where there are vacancies, there are posts vacant, either somebody gone on maternity leave, and they had to work there. So when there are vacancies available, why can't we help them by getting them into the position? Definitely let them answer the requirements.
They are working now or they are?
Some of them were working and they've just finished with their contract.
Some of the contract is getting over on 31st. Some of contract is got on over on 19th, 21st, and now the remaining are on 31st.
कितने वर्षाची ती कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट असणार?
Only 6
Because
months.
6 months.
COVID contract.
So COVID तुम्ही सर्व्हिस दिल्या.
Yeah.
They've been appreciated.
Risking our life, we have served. Even our parents said don't go, but still we have served. Being a nurse, we have served our other patients.
So तुम्ही आता डिमांड केला कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट एक्सटेंड करतो.
Extend.
Renewal of the
If
contract.
possible, they can give us a permanent job also.
We were asking for renewal also on the assurance that the health minister had assured. It's, I think for imprudent also it has come that he had assured it will be extended till 31st of October 2022. And also there's a memorandum which has been circulated wherein it has gone to the finance for approvals. So we are also we will try to find out what is the status of that as well.
तो स्टेटस फाइंड आउट करू ना तुम्ही किती झालं ते.
No, it's in the process. In the next
process.
only
So you know
1
this
week time.
procedure is.
In a week's time, we'll get to know about it.
This health minister.
Yeah, we will include in the health minister.
So you all are not met still.
We can
Not
do it
yet.
first.
This is the first.
Because
This is the
where
first
we-
step.
Yeah.
This is the first step.
So your demand is to expedite that process.
Expedite
Yes.
the process. Thank you.
ನೇರವಾದ ಗಾಡಿ ಜೋನಿ ಇದೆ.
फाटी यार ए संतोष फाटी चल